In this video lecture, we are going to look at overloading in Python programming. Okay, so previously I talked about inheritance and I taught you how to inherit from one class to another. And we saw that, and I believe you retried that out. In case you've not done that, the code is just still right before you. You can pause this video and check that out. And make sure you're getting positive results. Alright? So, now I will teach you about overloading. Let's go ahead and look at that. So, if I might say, let me go ahead and remove everything here so that I can be able to start afresh. Go ahead and delete this. So this is what I have. And I touch about constructor method. Go ahead and remove this. Let's go ahead and define another method right here. And I'm going to say Dave else tier, and let's go ahead and use return and go ahead and input all the data you put before. Employee's name is, employee's name is, and use the format. And his salary is okay, so let's go ahead and set dot format, and then you pass the value of the name and the salary inside here. Then I will do that with self dots name and self dots. Oh, now is self dots salary. Alright, so now that we have this, we go ahead and create another class that inherits from the employee class. And let's call that company, just like we did in the previous lecture. And this inherits from the employee class. Let's go ahead and say, now it's going to use, because we are learning overloading, let's go ahead and use the constructor method. So, self dot name salary, and I'm going to pass in another argument here, and let's call that his name, salary, and let's say the age of the employee. Now, go ahead and use employee dot init self name and salary. Okay, so you pass this right into the employee class and use for also print out the age. Go ahead and say self dot alright, self dot age okay equal to age. Alright, so that age is equal to age, and go ahead and return this. Return the employee class, or saying employee dot LTL sieve and you pass in the value of C right inside here. And let's go ahead and concatenate this. So age is, so once you display the age, go ahead and put this in a string format. Dot format. And then you pass in serve dot age. Okay, so now check this out. I hope there is no error at this point. I believe everything should work out fine. Therefore, if I go ahead and print out this, we have the salary and the name inside the employee class, and we have the age inside the company class. That means the company class is inheriting the properties of the employee class, and it has another value here, age, that is right inside here. Therefore, we are overloading this company class. Let's go ahead and print this out. So let's say co is equal to company, and let's pass in the value of the name of the employee as Peter. So the name of the employee is Peter, and his salary is $1,000, and his age is equal to 24. So now the name and the salary will be gotten from the employee class, and then the age will be gotten from the company class, because this is where we declared this. Now let's go ahead and say print co, and go ahead and run this code and check it out. Whoa, is this a string? So it should return noun. Okay, let's go ahead and check out this. Alright, let's go ahead and check it out. Alright, so let's go ahead and after this, it says that init should now return noun, not str. So go over here and say dev str save. So go ahead and run this code again and check it out. Alright, so we can see that employee's name is Peter, and his salary is $1,000, and his age. Alright, so go ahead and give a space right here. So that would be a space inside here. So, because this is gotten from the employee class, and that is this one right here is returned. You see that? So it's picked this, and using concatenation, we join it with the age of the employee. And if you do that, let's go ahead and give a space and say, and his age is, give a space. Alright. Go ahead and run this code again and check it out. Alright, you see that? Employee's name is Peter, and his salary is $1,000, and his age is 24. Okay, so you see that? Let's go ahead and overload this again. Or let's create one more class, because we need to do some more examples that we help us to master that. So go ahead and say class profession. I'm using everything that we did in the previous lecture so that it will be easier for us to understand. So profession, and pass in the class employee right inside here, because this is where it inherits all these things. And now you go ahead and define this dev init, and pass in the value. You can go ahead and copy this is exactly just the sentence. Let's go ahead and copy this, and we can twist it a little bit. Go ahead and press this here. Alright, so I'll draw this down here. So, what I actually do, I wanted to copy everything here. So copy this, copy, and I'll remove this and press this right here. Alright, so all I need now is, maybe I'm going to say name, salary, age, and budget. Because you're dealing with company, budget. Alright, so employee's name, and the salary is, and this, go ahead and change this to, and his budget is, as an employee, you always budget, so change this to budget. And change this to budget. Okay, and change this to budget again. Alright, so all these are inherited from the class employee. So let's go ahead and create this. Let's say pro is equal to profession, and the employee's name is James, and his salary is $500, and his budget is $1,000. Wow, he's living above his salary. His budget is really above his salary. Let's go ahead and check it out. So run this code and let's check it out. I'll drag this up. Okay, we've not printed this out. Let's go ahead and say print through. Print through and run this code. Let's check it out. Employee's name is James and his salary is $500 and his budget is $1,000. All these are inherited from the employee class. Go ahead and pull it down. The code is just very before you. And I believe you see that. So, if you have any problem here, please use the question and answer section and I'm going to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much and I'm going to see you in the next video lecture.